drop the beat on them. Yeah, my name is Chords. You're tuned to the sounds of Super Psy and Flyphonic. Baby Ark, Mr. Now. You know how we get down, bro. Yeah, chillin'. Ha. When I'm on the grind, somebody's always tapping on my shoulder, and I'm trying to get a peace of mind, but I just can't find the time. My baby's always calling me, crying on the line.
Won't you please come home to me?
Sometimes I wonder how this rapping thing would look like without 100 other crappy things that took my attention and time away from this rhyme I'm trying to say. Trying to conquer the world, but ain't got time today. I'm on a grind today, until when? I don't know. Striving for pursuing my goals, but moving kinda slow. Gotta find the dough, gotta pay the rent. On a grind for show, got a lady friend saying that she loves me and asking later when the album dropping, the video shot, yo, maybe then could we find a little time to chill and play again and not fall asleep after sex but hit the hay again. But working later than Letterman's the state I'm in. I'm married to this music making, but I hate it when I have to end up wondering where my baby went. But for now, don't tap my shoulder, play that break again.
When I'm on the grind, somebody's always tapping on my shoulder, and I'm trying to get a peace of mind, but I just can't find the time. My baby's always calling me, crying on the line.
Won't you please come home to me?
Now pretty please, I roam the city streets. Little bit of sticky green clears up my mind when I'm in between a rock and a hard place. They got me speeding like a cop in a car chase. Don't stop and I don't break. See, time flies, so I'm living it up. I always check my stopwatch and I divvy it up between the ladies and the studio. I hardly see my family. I'm playing and I'm doing shows, caught up in it gradually. I miss my mother, miss my sisters and brothers, but I gotta keep working, can't listen to others. And I'm caught up right now, but I'll visit this summer. And when the album drops, I'll blow y'all a kiss on the cover. But for now, I'm chilling right here, music filling my ears. Been through it and you knew it, I'ma do it till my mind clears. It ain't a joke, forget the hocus and pocus. When I'm in the booth, I'm totally focused. When I'm on the grind, somebody's always tapping on my shoulder, and I'm trying to get a peace of mind, but I just can't find the time. My baby's always calling me, crying on the line.
Won't you please come home to me?
Yo, this just ain't how I planned it would work out. I pop the bass in my cans, oh man, I put in work now. But right now it ain't working for me. Got so much weight on my back that it's hurting my knees. I can take it to a certain degree, but not for long. Stop pulling my arm, man, I'm putting down a bomb. I can feel it in sight, it's a classic in the making. Let the feeling compensate for the bread I ain't breaking. I'm sick of gut pains and stress, my head aching. Music made me tick, but it's a tricky situation. Grinding like a 9 to 5, but don't get paid like one. Soon as I can find a time.